If you are running ads on Google but not getting expected result, in this video is only for you. These videos I am sharing with you how to optimize your Google search campaign and as well as all everything I am showing in this video. So let's start this video. Right now I am still in my Google Ads account. So I am go to my PDF. I arrange all everything here. Like optimization needs 7 deep OS to a scale result. At first, here is keyword level optimization. Pause that keyword that are not performing well. So I am showing with you practically. So at first I am go to the keyword section. You see here painting service Singapore. This keyword get 5 conversion, but the quality score is too much low and average CPC is some high. That's why I pause that keyword. This keyword not profitable for me. So I increase this raw, and you see here home painter near me. This keyword also average CPC is $5 and quality score is 0. That's why I pause this keyword also. Then you see here this keyword has 0 click impression. That's why I pause this keyword. Then increase bids best performing keyword. If I see the I get 8 conversion this keyword under. So if I go it and edit section, then change max CPC bit. So if I select it and I select here a percentage like increase bits 20%, then the keyword will performing or good. Then the check search terms and see which keyword give you best result and add this keyword. Like we go to the search terms and if I select the conversion, you see here this keyword we get 3 conversion. I already added this keyword as a keyword. Then this keyword already added. This is search term, like real user search this intent. So this keyword we get 2 conversions. So if I click as a keyword, so it's a push for my keyword level. So that's it for keyword level optimization. Then budget and bidding optimization. At first increase budget slowly, like 10 to 20%. When you run ads, then at a time Google will signal you like limited by budget. Then you need to increase your budget. So then you budget increase like 10 to 20%, not a big deal. Then set a target CPA based on previous data. Like if I go the cost per conversion, so you see here my cost per conversion in $25.58. It's previous data. So right now I can set target CPA. So if I go the bidding section, just a minute, then change bid strategy, and as well as I can put this will Google recommended, but I can put here like $30. You give me a conversion under the $30. That's it. Then the change bidding when campaign learning period is complete. Like when you run the campaign, this campaign need 2 weeks for learning. Then you change your bidding. It's better for Google Ads. Then headline optimization. Pin the headline that gets most conversion. If I go the ads level and I go this asset, so just a minute, you see here this headline under we get 22 conversion something. So so if I put pin, like if I go again at set level and go there, like if I click to pin, then when as a people search our campaign, see our campaign, this headline will showing every time. Then remove headline that have low click impression. So if I go there again, like preview asset details, then click here clicks. You see here this headline we get 24 clicks, as well as conversion 5 conversion, like low impression click, low conversion headline. Like see, I get on conversion this headline under. So low conversion headline, low impression click headline, you can change it and use different headline for A/B testing. Like these keywords under I get on conversion. So right now we need to change it and use another headline for A/B testing purpose. Then the mesh type optimization. First of all, performing keyword convert as at exact mesh. Like if I go the keyword level, is here this keyword as well good performance, this keyword as well good performance, this keyword is broad mesh, this keyword phrase mesh. So if I convert it exact mesh, this keyword we get best control, and this keyword give we best result. So just I click it exact mesh, this keyword convert as a exact mesh. Then average performing keyword put at phrase mesh. Like this keyword performance is average, you see here 6 quality score, and the click impression is as well good, and conversion 4. I put average keyword as a phrase mesh. Then the last thing, make the keyword broad mesh, the keyword that has low click impression. Like you see our vinyl floor installation, this keyword has before when I run this keyword as a phrase mesh, then the keyword click impression is too much low. Then when I convert as a broad mesh, then the keyword has a as well a click impression, and on conversion is will come. And you see here this keyword also I put broad mesh, but this keyword also has on click, and performance is not good. So we need to just pause it. I pause it, and the mesh type optimization is, and the location level optimization. If I search here location exclusion, sorry, go to the location, then go to the neighborhoods. Then you see here central area I get 9 conversion, and Tua Pawa I get 5 conversion as well as, but these areas has 0 conversion. So it's not this location not profitable for me. So that's why I run a new campaign for this location. I get best result. Like if I go this campaign, go to the overview, sorry, yeah, so if I go to the location, then you see here my profitable location I use here, like central area I use, as well as before campaign I get which location result, this location I use here. Location label is done. Then extension optimization. So if I go to the asset, go to the site link extension, At first, remove extension that are not performing well. So you select this campaign and select here all. Like this campaign I get 7 conversion. You see here this extension versus other means headline description. So I get 7 conversion. This extension is profitable for me. Then this extension we get on conversion, it's not profitable for me, so we need to change and use here other different extension for every testing purpose. Then this extension we get on conversion, this extension we get 0, so we need must change it. And this extension also 0. So that's it for location extension optimization. Then we need to use enough extension for increasing the conversion rate. When you use enough extension, your conversion rate will be increased 10 to 20%. Then the last is schedule level optimization. So pause ads that day which day your result will drop. So if I go the ads schedule, so you see here, like we see here which days we get best result, which days we our result is drop. Like Thursday averagely we get 7 conversion, Monday averagely we get 4 conversion, but I see the previous data. Sunday we our conversion rate is too much low. That's why I schedule my ads like Sunday. I pause our ads. And the next, check the time, whose time get best running ads that time. Like we need to overview section. Then you see here I select here conversion, all conversion, like whose time to which time I get best conversion. Like 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. I get more conversion. Like this time ads will be performing. So if I schedule 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. the p.m. the ads costing will good, and the performance will be increased. And the run ads with proper schedule for better result. So please comment. These videos will be insightful for your site. Yeah, that's it for today. If you have any question or need any help, just contact with me on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video.